Hello YouTube, it's Nicholas speaking. Welcome to another tutorial about Elementor. On this screen, I have nice pricing tables. This project I have created in my previous video. If you want to know how I achieve this kind of layout with some tricks and tips, watch my tutorial. So far, we covered all of the Elementor elements, and our list today is this Accordion element. I already created one section and now I'm going to use this accordion. What we have here. In the first tab it is the content and here we have the items. When you open it, here you can type the title. For example, this is the first accordion and here we can add text. This is the editor for text with many options. Beneath that down there we have options for icon. Here we can change the icon, this icon here. Actually, this icon, I think this is the active icon. Yeah, this one here. And choose icons from icon library. For example, let's add this one. And for active icon, also we are going to change to be this one. Okay. This is the first item, beneath that is the second item with text. Here you can add more items. Okay. Here we have style tab with border width. Here we can change the border width, you can see. Let's change the color. For example, let's set orange. Let's use our primary color. Okay, here we have options for title. For example, we can change the background color, just like this one, almost pitch black. We can change the color for our title, for active color. We can change the typography. For example, we can use fonts from Google Fonts library and so on. Beneath that is the options for icon. See, for start and end, left and right position, we can change the color, active color, and we can change the spacing for our icons. And at last, we can change the background for content, for example. This one. And we can change the font color, just like this. Okay. And also here we can add the padding. In last tab it is advanced, and here we have options. These options are the same for every elements. Accordion you can use for example, if you have frequently asked questions section on your tab, Accordion is a very good way to add those questions to your website or the client's website. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoy watching me and learn something new. Feel free subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to smash the bell for more upcoming videos because you will be notified right away about new videos. Thank you for watching me and see you next time. Bye bye.